name is Edgar Francisco Xochitl Zarate, and I'm an entrepreneur from Mexico. In this lesson, this is my first YouTube video in English. I'm going to teach you how to create a search campaign in Google Ads. So let's get started. The first thing to do, you have to do, the first thing that you have to do, I'm sorry, will be you have to type the URL. It's ads.google.com, and this is the main console of the Google Ads. So in the first thing you have to do, well, I have done many campaigns, so I have data. So the first thing you have to do is to click in this button that is called New Campaign, and then we're going to create as campaign without goals guidance. So we have to click in that and click in the search section. Suddenly, we won't select any of these options because we don't really want that Google's makes something that we don't want to do. So we have to continue without any click in that sections. And after that, we're going to expect and we're going to type the title of your campaign name. For example, I'm going to type entrepreneur course 2020 because I already have a course that I have done. I'm sorry, I'm from Mexico and I have done an entrepreneur course in Spanish. So I'm going to sell that my course that is now in Spanish. So we're going to click only the search network because we really want to appear only in the search network section. And the next part is to select the location that you really want to appear. For example, I want to appear in Mexico. It is important that you have to select a city. And for this case, if you have enough budget, if you really have enough budget, you can select an entire country. For example, US, United Kingdom, Canada, or Mexico. Well, it will need a huge budget. However, if you do not have enough budget, you have to select a specific location. For example, in order to select a specific location, I'm going to select a small city in Mexico. This city is called Merida. Merida is located in Yucatan, in the peninsula, and very close to Cancun. Or probably I can focus the location of my campaign. I'm really sorry if my accent, but you have to understand. And after that, as I'm in Mexico, you have to select always English in every part of the world. For example, English in most of the keyboards is the main language, and the second probably could be the language that is spoken in the country. For example, in my country, Spanish is spoken, and I'm going to select both Spanish and English. If you are probably in France, you can select French and English. If you are in Spain, you want Spanish and English. And if you are in Germany, probably Deutsch or German and English, or also Deutsch, and something like that. If you have to select the both. And audiences, you have not select nothing. We won't select nothing. And the budget. Currently, I'm having Mexican pesos, but I'm going to translate it in US dollars. So the budget that I'm going to select here will be 200 pesos. 200 pesos is quite similar to $10 per day. So if you have more money or you have a more budget, please you have to sell to increase your budget. The bidding in this part you're going to you have many different options. For example, is conversion value, clicks, impressions, share. You can select conversion or clicks, but I really want to click on conversions because people when is in your website could be doing other things. For example, the people can suffer in your sorry, suffer not, people can suffer in your website and probably clicks another link, or probably people could buy the things or the products or services that you are offering. In this case, I'm going to select the option of conversions, and after that I'm going to pass to the add extension. This is an important section because you can add more text to your campaign. For example, you have styling extensions. For example, if you really want to add something, and you can select something. I have written something, but it is in. I'm really sorry. It is in Spanish because most of my campaigns are written in Spanish. I have had enough successful in this campaign, so I am teaching this. And for example, call of attention. For example, if you have something at discounts, or I don't know, you have the idea how to do this. Call extensions, if you want to add your telephone number, it is important because sometimes people want to call you, and especially in Mexico or Latin America, people want to call to the seller in order to ask some questions, something like that. I don't know how it's working in your country, but if you can add your call extension, it is a good idea. For example, a price extension, if you have the price of your product or your service, you can add here. For example, I can say the basic course is in this, and you can click, and then you can click save and continue. The second part is that you have to select that you add your group name. You have write something like entrepreneur, and you can hear your entrepreneur courses in order to get some keywords ideas. The keyword ideas, it is something important. It is not a keyword, it's a phrase idea. What is the difference? The phrase is that you have different words. For example, in this case, I have some keywords ideas and MBA in entrepreneurship. No, I don't really want to sell that because I want to sell some to people who are investing by their own. So entrepreneurial finance, yes, my course has this ability that we are teaching. I'm sorry, it's in Spanish. Technology entrepreneurship. No, I don't really think that. Online business courses for entrepreneurs, yes, absolutely. We sell something like that. We can serve in these ideas, online courses with certificates. Well, I can click that. Uh, you can select something. As you can see, I'm going to write something that we are. It is not in these ideas. That is the marketing courses or course, because I offer the theory of the marketing, how to target the specific market or something related in this field. And other thing that you want to do is to add these quote marks in order to have to show and less people and our results or outcomes. For example, in this phrase or something like that. So you have the ideas, and you can save and continue. The next part is to add our website where we are selling our course. For example, this is my website of my course. Is in Digital Marketing Agency Canada. And I thought in this name of this website because I want to move to Canada and probably could be easier to sell my services over there. So, and unfortunately,